Hello everyone, we're going to talk about practicing comping. I'm going to give you some examples of rhythmically how to keep it swinging and how to make it interesting. Get control of your inversions. There's also another video that I made specifically for what kind of rhythms to play. And for that, I use big bands as model. I modeled big band rhythms and derived rhythms for comping for that. And the link for that video is right here. Here's our first example. Over here, we have to focus on the rhythm and the inversions, okay? As you can see, every inversion almost is played twice. Don't miss that detail that the beats on 2 and 4 is stronger than on 1 and 3, okay? They're stronger. So this practice, this example actually, is designed to give you the idea of keep moving by changing inversions a lot, and also helping you feel the swing of chord to note, okay? How to swing a chord or note. Actually, there are two geniuses in this world who can do that really well, and then I recommend listening to them. One of them is Ron Carter. He can really make that chord or note swing. And the other one, if it's not a surprise to you, is Frank Sinatra when he's singing. Check out Fly Me to the Moon of his recording, you know, and he can really make that chord or note swing, okay? All right, and that's your goal. And this practice, this exercise is designed for two things. One, it wants to give you the feel of keeping moving around, helping you swing, okay? And for that, you have to be careful playing the quarter notes on 2 and 4 a bit stronger, okay? All right, I have another example. It has a slightly different approach. Here we go. See, this is a different rhythm, okay? Play the first exercise and get comfortable with it, okay? After you get comfortable with it, but really comfortable, make it really like feel good and swinging, okay? And then play this one and then get comfortable equally, just like the first one. But if you're not sure, record yourself and try to use a metronome only. Just metronome and yourself. It should feel swinging and great, okay? After you can do that, you can mix these two. And then that'll lead you to somewhere else. That'll lead you to be more comfortable with swinging, changing inversions, keep moving. And that's a good preparation for the next level where you can start creating counterpoint behind the soloist, okay? And for that, actually, I recommend this video that I had recommended at the beginning of this video. And check out this link for next step after this. But if you mix those two, what kind of result would you get? All right, here's that example. This is a good exercise because this minor blues example has only 4 chords, so but you can keep moving around by changing inversions. If you're gonna get hired as a guitar player, they'll hire you for your accompaniment. You should spend as much time on comping as you spend time on your soloing. Let me know what you think about these exercises, which I designed for starting points, and let me know in comments. Okay, see how you feel. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. All right, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you think it helped you, and I'll see you in our next video.